Have you ever wondered how people with chronic diseases manage their health every day? We're diving into the world of chronic disease management today. It's a topic that affects millions, but also holds relevance for everyone. Understanding how to manage chronic diseases is crucial, whether you're living with one or simply want to be more informed. It's about empathy, preparedness, and promoting a healthier society. So, are you ready to gain some insights that could potentially change the way you look at health? Stay tuned if you want to learn more about chronic disease management. Before diving into how to manage these conditions, it's crucial to understand what chronic diseases are. Often when we hear the term disease, our minds conjure up images of something acute, something that strikes suddenly and then, hopefully, disappears after a course of treatment. But chronic diseases are a different story. They're not invaders that come and go, they're more like unwelcome guests that decide to move in and stay. Essentially, chronic diseases are conditions that persist for a year or longer, requiring ongoing medical attention and/or limiting daily activities. They're often slow in progression, gradually weaving their way into the fabric of a person's life, sometimes so subtly that they're not even noticed until they've firmly taken hold. Now you might be asking, what are some examples of chronic diseases? Well, two of the most common ones are diabetes and hypertension. Diabetes, often referred to as the silent killer, is a condition where your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't effectively use the insulin it does produce. This leads to high blood sugar levels, which over time can damage your body's systems. On the other hand, hypertension, also known as high blood pressure, is a condition that makes the heart work harder than normal to pump blood to the body. Over time, this increased pressure can lead to serious health problems such as heart disease and stroke, but it's not all doom and gloom. Despite their long-term nature, chronic diseases can be managed, and their impact on daily life can be minimized. It requires a combination of medical treatment and lifestyle changes, but with the right approach, individuals living with these conditions can lead fulfilling lives. So, why is it important to understand chronic diseases? Because knowledge is power. When you know what you're dealing with, you're better equipped to take control of it. And that's what managing chronic diseases is all about. Taking control, not letting the disease control you. Understanding these conditions is the first step towards effective management. Now that you know what chronic diseases are, how do you think they are managed? It might seem like a daunting task, but chronic disease management is actually about taking small, consistent steps towards maintaining and improving your health. Imagine it as a well-choreographed dance between you, your healthcare team, and your lifestyle choices. So let's start with the concept of chronic disease management. It's a continuous process that involves monitoring and treating long-term health conditions. The goal here is not just to control the symptoms, but also to prevent complications, improve quality of life, and enhance overall well-being. Now let's talk about the three pillars of chronic disease management: a balanced diet, regular exercise, and medication adherence. First, a balanced diet. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods can help maintain your body's functions, aid in recovery, and even reduce the risk of complications. Think of it as fueling your body with the right kind of energy it needs to function optimally. Second, regular exercise. No, you don't have to run a marathon or lift heavy weights. Even simple activities like walking, swimming, or yoga can make a huge difference. Regular physical activities not only strengthen your body but also improve your mood, sleep, and overall quality of life. Finally, medication adherence. This simply means taking your prescribed medications consistently and correctly. It's crucial to follow your healthcare provider's instructions to ensure the medicines are effective. It's like sticking to the recipe to make sure the dish turns out just right. Remember, managing a chronic disease is not a solitary journey. It involves working closely with your healthcare team, taking care of your physical health, and paying attention to your emotional well-being. And yes, it can be challenging at times, but remember, every small step you take towards managing your health, no matter how small, is a victory in itself. Remember, managing a chronic disease requires a comprehensive approach. Did you know that a healthy lifestyle plays a massive role in managing chronic diseases? No, we're not just talking about popping pills and periodic doctor visits. Managing chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension also involves adopting a healthy lifestyle. Let's start with diet. What we put into our bodies greatly affects our health. When it comes to chronic diseases, a balanced diet is not just beneficial, it's crucial. This doesn't mean you need to start eating like a rabbit. It means making smarter choices when it comes to food. Opt for whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Limit processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats. And remember, moderation is key. You don't have to completely eliminate your favorite treats, but you do need to keep an eye on portion sizes. Next, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity is a major player in chronic disease management. It helps control weight, reduces blood pressure, strengthens the heart, and even improves mental health. You don't have to run a marathon or lift heavy weights to reap these benefits. Even a brisk 30-minute walk, 5 days a week, can make a huge difference. The key is to find an activity you enjoy and stick with it. Finally, let's not forget about regular health checkups. These are essential in monitoring your health and catching any potential issues early. Regular screenings, tests, and follow-ups can help keep your chronic disease under control and prevent complications. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So, what's the takeaway? Leading a healthy lifestyle involves a balanced diet, regular exercise, and routine health checkups. These elements work together to manage chronic diseases and improve overall health. But here's the thing. This healthy lifestyle isn't just for those living with chronic diseases, it's for everyone. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're dealing with a chronic condition or not, these lifestyle choices can benefit you in countless ways. They can boost your energy, improve your mood, and even extend your life. Leading a healthy lifestyle is not just for those with chronic diseases, it's for everyone. What if you follow a healthy lifestyle but skip your medicine or doctor's appointments? Now that's a question that opens up a Pandora's box of complications. You see, when it comes to managing chronic diseases, regular medication and doctor visits are as crucial as maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, and chronic disease as a wrench thrown into the gears. The gears might still turn, but not as smoothly as they should. Your medication acts as a tool to remove that wrench, allowing your body to function more effectively. Without it, you're essentially leaving that wrench in place, hindering your body's ability to operate at its best. But it's not just about taking your medication, it's about taking it consistently, as prescribed by your doctor. Regularity is key. Think of it as a daily ritual, like brushing your teeth or brewing your morning coffee. It's something you do without fail, because you understand the importance behind it. Now let's talk about doctor visits. You might be thinking, why do I need to see my doctor regularly? I feel fine. Remember, chronic diseases are sneaky. They can silently cause damage to your body without you even realizing it. Regular checkups allow your doctor to monitor your condition closely, adjust your treatment plan if necessary, and catch any potential complications early on. It's like having a personal health detective on your side, working tirelessly to ensure your well-being. In a nutshell, regular medication and doctor visits are your safety nets in the world of chronic disease management. They ensure that you're on the right track and help you navigate any obstacles that might come your way. So, don't take them lightly. Skipping your medication or doctor's appointments is like driving a car with a flat tire. You might still be able to move forward, but it's going to be a bumpy and risky ride. Taking your medication and visiting your doctor regularly is as important as following a healthy lifestyle. To manage chronic diseases effectively, you need to strike a balance between all three. Remember, your health is a precious gift. Treat it with the care and attention it deserves. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. These small actions can make a big difference. They help us keep the conversation going and allow us to bring more content your way. So, if this video is giving you insights or sparking thoughts, let's hear it. And remember, by hitting that subscribe button, you're joining a community that's committed to understanding and managing chronic conditions together. Your support helps us continue to provide you with this valuable information. Do you want to know about some health products that can help manage chronic diseases? Well, you're in the right place. We'll be discussing a few that can do just that. Let's start with omega-3 supplements. These are known for their potential to reduce inflammation, which is a common problem in many chronic diseases. They can also help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and even slow down the development of plaque in the arteries. Next up is magnesium. This essential mineral helps in numerous biological functions, including nerve and muscle function, maintaining a healthy immune system, and bone health. Many people don't get enough of it, so a supplement could be a beneficial addition to your routine. Another product we recommend is a high-quality probiotic. These can aid digestion and support a healthy gut, which is crucial for overall health. They can also help to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut, which can be especially beneficial for those with chronic conditions. We also suggest considering a multivitamin. While it's best to get your vitamins and minerals from your diet, a multivitamin can help fill in any nutritional gaps. Just remember, it's not a replacement for a healthy diet but a supplement to it. And lastly, we have green tea. It's packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress, both of which are linked to chronic diseases. Plus, it's a great way to hydrate and it tastes delicious. Remember, these products are not a cure-all, but they can help manage symptoms and support overall health. It's always important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, as they can provide personalized advice based on your unique needs. Now, we've only scratched the surface here. There are many other health products out there that can support chronic disease management. So, make sure to check out the description box below for more information. Remember to check out the description for links to our recommended health products. Let's quickly recap what you've learned about chronic disease management. We began our journey by defining what chronic diseases are. These are long-term health conditions that often progress slowly over time. They might be conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, or heart disease which require ongoing medical attention and can affect every facet of your life. We then delved into understanding chronic disease management. It's an active, ongoing process that involves not just the patient, but also healthcare professionals and caregivers. The goal is to minimize the impact of the disease on the patient's life, ensuring they can live as fully and comfortably as possible. A critical part of chronic disease management is embracing a healthy lifestyle. This might involve dietary changes, like eating a balanced, nutritious diet, or physical activities like regular exercise. These lifestyle changes can help control the severity of the disease, reduce symptoms, and improve overall well-being. But a healthy lifestyle alone isn't enough. Regular medication and doctor visits are also paramount. Medications help manage symptoms and control the disease's progression. Regular doctor visits allow for ongoing monitoring of the disease and adjustments to the treatment plan as necessary. We also took a moment to explore some recommended health products. These are tools and aids that can help manage symptoms, monitor disease progression, and improve quality of life. They might be as simple as a blood pressure monitor for those with hypertension, or as complex as an insulin pump for those with diabetes. Remember, chronic disease management isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's tailored to the individual, their specific disease, and their unique lifestyle and needs. It requires patience, persistence, and active participation from both the patient and their healthcare team. With the right knowledge and tools, managing a chronic disease becomes a manageable part of life. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your interactions help us share this crucial information with more people. It's an easy way to show your support, and it won't cost you a dime. Plus, subscribing ensures you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. We appreciate your thoughts and experiences in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and remember, knowledge is the first step towards better health.